You got it?
Yeah, I just did my camera. All right, guys, here we go. We're out on the water.
Oh, right there.
There's Evil Ass Clown. Neil. There's my son Matrix. Matrix, hey, say hey.
Hey.
All right. We're going to attempt to hand the phone across the boats. He's going to record me doing a little bit of
Get a picture of this baby Tiamat in action. So which way is it recording? Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get going here.
Push. Push him.
Push him.
Ah.
No, God.
There we have it, yo.
Stop hitting it. Stop hitting the boat.
Baby in action. 16-footer. Perception.
Oh, God.
Tiamat.
Look at that water go.
That baby's nice.
Woo.
I tell you.
All right.
Let's turn it that way.
It's nice out here.
All right.
We'll go back out.
There we go. I think I paused it. The only problem is I can't paddle and film at the same time.
Turn around.
There we go. It ain't turning off. It ain't turning off though. There he goes. Get a clip of that baby in full action. I tell you, that boat hauls ass, man. I tell you. There we go. It's a bad boat right there.
Right. Oh,
There you
too
go.
far.
All right, catch.
No.
I know better than that now.
Cool.
It's old Viking trick right here. Tie the boats together. Tie the boats together while everybody fights.
We're wiggling.
Yeah, this is still recording.
To the right over here.
All right. Where we going?
Let's go this way.
That way. That big old house over there, guys. That thing's huge.
We're going there. We're going there.
Yeah, we can go there if you want. We'll pull up in their backyard and be like, hey, I'm here.
No, it's too close now. All right. Yeah.
Come on, Dad. Paddle.
All right, hold on. I'm trying to get this zoom.
Paddle like you know it.
I tell you, this baby's cruising right here.
All right. I'm gonna sit you guys down for a second. Sit you with the plant. All right, let's go.
Hey, we're coming.
You gotta go back and forth. You gotta go back and forth, man. Or you're gonna throw it off.
Oh.
Back and forth. One paddle on one side, one paddle on the other.
You go that side. You go
How much?
that side.
Nice.
You go that. You just keep paddling on that side. I'll paddle this side.
You're not paddling hard enough. You gotta get down in there and you gotta push, man. Push. Push. Oh, we gotta turn. We gotta turn. Don't slow it down. Put the paddle on the other side and paddle. Paddle. Paddle.
I don't care if I get wet.
Huh?
Ah.
A little misty, yeah, kind of hazy.
Oh, God. Ah, I was wiggling.
You're gonna wiggle. You're gonna get wet. It's gonna happen, man.
I don't care. I get wet. I like to get wet. You know me with water, Dad. I do. The water's nice today.
It's so dark, man. Had Cthulhu come up out of this bitch.
Yeah, honestly, man, Florida's like South America. Man. Dark water, murky water, subtropical. It's just
Paddle.
yucky looking
Woo.
water.
So dark, man. Cthulhu would come out of this bitch.
Ah, water. Hey, Neil.
Here, you want to hold this up for a little bit while we paddle?
Yeah, go ahead and film some of that.
Here. Just hold it. It's already filming. Just hold it up and show them that how we're cruising, man. Don't drop it. Don't hold it too close to the edge.
If it falls, it will fall right here.
I got Matrix holding the phone, guys.
Right here we have the Walmart special, $200, 10-foot Aruba, sunbelt. Hey, and it comes with the paddle. You can't beat that.
Right? Come on now, don't be giving Walmart free advertising.
Devil store. Made in China.
I'll have to make them my sponsor.
Dad, something's going wrong with it. It's freaking out.
I know, it's zooming in and out because of the water. My phone's all cracked. Not my fault. Huh?
Do I look like I'm hauling ass too?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah! And now it's at 1
Don't
point.
worry about it. It's going to move up and down. It's fine. It's because I cracked it and there's water getting on it.
Let me tell you, them canoes, you'll flip in them canoes, man.
Oh, yeah, those canoes are unstable. This thing feels way more stable.
I prefer the kayaks than them canoes any day.
I mean, it's lower to the water, but man, it's like way more stable.
These are a lot lighter too, a lot easier to get around.
Yeah, it's because they're light, that's why. And it's because they're more lower in the water.
It's like somebody's putting a dock back here with someone too.
Nice there. Haven't been in the water for a long time, Neil.
Turn around and show them back here.
You ever been to that creek back there in the woods? That creek runs back into here actually, into this lake.
Oh, yeah?
I don't know if you've been back there, but
Not yet. I've been thinking about going back there lately, but I haven't been able to yet.
where I put the bridge back there.
Hey,
I haven't been there
Dad.
yet. Huh?
Here.
Hold on. Show some recording of me. Woo! What's up, guys?
Oh God, I cannot do that.
You're fine. That was just me.
Oh. Oh God, now it's freaking out.
I know. It's because of the water and the cracks.
It's I can't believe you cracked
Let me get
it.
some speed going, and then I'll grab the phone.
Hey Neil, we're faster. Hey, this is way more fast. This is really fast.
Especially if I get going. The race! The race!
God. Stop! For God's sake, stop! 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 Ah, God, stop! 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 Dad!
Oh, we hit something! I went over something like the little.
It's a stick! It was a sign! Dad! Dad! Get a hold of the phone!
Hold on. I'm trying to get ahead of deal.
Well, what do you...
Okay, here.
Oh
Oh, that was fun, huh? Cruising. I think there was a tree under the water. I went over top, but
No, Dad.
I felt it under the boat. I went whoop. Alright guys, we'll cut this off for a little bit. We enjoy ourselves, so see y'all later. Peace.
Give me this. Give me that. I want that one.
I'll see if we can squeeze back through the area where the
Give me that one.